Hello and welcome to day number 16 of my personal projects advent calendar. Today I want to show you my RGBed project and not a WS2812 LED project. And this time I just put like these RGB strips along the sides of my bed, and I'm just able to control them using one of my old programmable keyboard AVR boards, which has a keyboard matrix and well, just some spare pins for the LEDs. Basically, each key can be programmed with a color, and a color does not just mean, okay, a single color for the entire strip, but you can set each LED individually. I'm just not using it because, what do I want with a crazy colorful room? The firmware also allows direct control of all the LEDs via USB. I'm just not using this feature, even though I have a Raspberry Pi lying in this drawer and I'm intending to eventually hook it up. But I'll probably switch over. If I do this, I'll probably switch over to an FPGA for the driving of the LEDs, because it's just, the AVR is not really powerful enough. You can also control the brightness of the LEDs using two buttons, and you can set up a default profile to be loaded upon startup. You can find all the source code required in my Git repository. There's firmware and software. Software is the control software, and firmware is the firmware to go into the AVR. Okay, that's about it for today. Thank you very much for watching, and see you tomorrow.